Guys, we have another red Bronco in. Putting wheels on, of course, VenomRex. We're doing coal black. Ooh, nice. Well, Wild Track, Sasquatch. Coal black, is it matte? I can't remember.
Coal black.
Yeah,
I got you, dude.
Satin black, that's cool. So we're going from gloss black to satin black. We are keeping the factory tires, they're 315 and 7017. So nothing is really changing except for just the rim itself.
Yeah. So, what's the difference? Bead lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's the difference?
Well, one that we sold, the other one we didn't.
Are we just trying to make money?
Yes, Sean.
Oh, I see what it is. These are pretty heavy. Feel the difference. Feel the difference right here. You want to weigh them?
Yeah, let's weigh them.
It's actually way heavier.
I say the stock one weighs 45 pounds.
40 stock, 30 VenomRex.
I say 38, probably 29.
What is it?
34.
34.
That means those are going to be really light. 26.
26.
It's a pretty big difference.
Wow.
Hell yeah.
It's a pretty big difference. And then these have that catch right here. Like that.
Yeah, the knurling. This is easily one of the best looking wheels available for the Bronco. Kept the same tires, but now that the wheels have a better offset, they sit out towards the fenders more, giving you that fitted stance. Satin black matches well with the fenders and the decals, and they stand out from the OEM gloss black look from before. But what's really impressive about these is that these are at least half an inch wider than any of the factory wheels from Ford, yet they weigh about 8 pounds less. If you're interested in a set of these high quality VenomRex wheels, hit us up while supplies last.